Hi friends, welcome back to Learn English with Anam. Today, we're diving into 50 daily use English sentences to help you speak fluently and confidently in real life. Want to sound more like a native speaker? These sentences will help you master real, useful English fast. Tip: repeat after me. Focus on the verbs in the bold objects to remember easily.
1. I drink water every morning. 2. She writes emails at work. 3. They watch movies on weekends. 4. He reads books at night. 5. We cook dinner together. 6. I eat fruits every day. 7. He cleans the room before sleeping. 8. She buys groceries on Saturday. 9. I call my friend every day. 10. They play football after school. 11. We listen to music while working. 12. I open the window for fresh air. 13. She paints pictures in her free time. 14. He fixes the car on weekends. 15. They wear jackets in winter. 16. I take a shower every morning. 17. She feeds the cat at a.m. 18. He rides a bike to school. 19. They plant flowers in the garden. 20. We build sandcastles at the beach.
I send messages to my boss. She carries a bag everywhere. He answers the phone quickly. I lock the door before leaving. They share their lunch with friends. We draw diagrams in class. I charge my phone daily. She drives the car carefully. He bakes a cake on birthdays. They set the table before dinner. I fold the clothes after washing. She washes the dishes every night. He brings his laptop to work. They pack their bags before travel. We decorate the room for parties. I choose a movie every Friday. She downloads songs online. He organizes his desk often. They repair their bikes together. We light candles during dinner. I attend meetings at a.m. She sends invitations for the event. He writes in a diary daily. They enjoy their vacation fully. We celebrate birthdays with friends. I watch the sunset every evening. She prepares coffee in the morning. He uses a computer for work. They visit the museum on holidays. We love our family dearly. Great job today, friends! You just learned 50 powerful English sentences that you can use every single day. Practice them, speak them out loud, and you'll sound more fluent and confident in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another English lesson with me, Anam. Tell me in the comments which sentence was your favorite. I'd love to hear from you.